Welcome guys to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to start your desktop computer. You have been given a desktop computer which is already switched off like this, and you want to start using it. So first you need to start clicking the button on your monitor like this. You click on it, and from there you will proceed to come and click on this one here. This is a start button on CPU or system unit. You come and click here like this. So after doing that, it means that you'll have to wait for your computer to start like that. You can see it is starting. You'll give it time so that it will normalize. So after this, I'm also going to show you how to switch off your computer professionally. So our computer is on. The computer has already started. So what you will do here is, once the computer has started like this and it is already to use, before starting you need to refresh your computer by right clicking on your mouse. You right click like this, and then you'll see somewhere they have said refresh. So you'll have to refresh like 2 times or 3 times so that the computer normalizes its programs. So once you have done that, it means that the computer is ready to use. And if you want to shut down your computer, it means that you'll come here and then you click start button, and you'll come and click shut down the computer. So there are people who don't understand this. Once they have finished to use their computer, they immediately come and click here like the way they started it. They come and click this one here. So once you click there, it means that you are going to lose your files. There are some files which will be working on the background, and by doing that, it means that you are interrupting their operation. So it is good you come and click start, and then you click shut down the computer. So once you have done that, it means that the computer will shut down automatically like that. So that is how people do operate computers, the way you can start, and also the way you can shut down the computer.